In front of me is LG V50 ThinQ, and let me show you how to change a pin to your SIM card on the following device. So at first you need to unlock your device, then reach the settings. Here, find and select lock screen and security, and here you will notice set up SIM card lock. You need to mark it, and as you can see, you can smoothly and easily change SIM pin by tapping on tap name samely, and at first you need to provide the current pin. So in my case it's 1234, tap on OK then, and then enter a new one. So it must be 4 to 8 digits long. I will pick 4 and it will be 2580, click on OK, and then re-enter a new pin just to confirm. Tap on OK then, and that's it. It has been done. As you can see, SIM pin has been changed, so congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.